Hello students, today I am telling you chapter 12 of reasoning, that is statement and assumptions. You have to answer the following questions as in these statements will be given, and on the basis of statement two assumptions will be given. You will give A part as the answer if assumption A is implicit. B will be the answer if assumption B is implicit. C part will be the answer if either assumption A or B is implicit. And D will be the answer if neither assumption A nor B is implicit. And E will be the answer if both A and B are implicit. You can see the term implicit. One more term is there in these types of question, that is explicit. Implicit just means true and explicit means false. So in this you can see first statement is given. Ram tells Jack, if you want to give an advertisement, give it to in the newspaper ABC. Assumptions are there. A is newspaper ABC has best circulation. B, Zack is going to give an advertisement. So from these assumptions, answer will be the C part, that is either assumption A or B is implicit. Now see, second statement is anti-corruption movement was supported by most of the citizens. Assumptions are A, youths were interested in anti-corruption movement. B, anti-corruption movement was supported and promoted by media. So in this case answer will be D part. Neither of the assumption A nor B is implicit. Now see, third statement is even with increase in milk production, the state still continues to import milk. Assumptions are A's consumption of milk per head is increasing. B, state is not producing milk as per requirement. So from these assumptions we can notice that answer will be B part, that is assumption B is implicit. Then see, fourth statement is most of the students prefer to read Shakespeare. Assumptions are A, works by Shakespeare are interesting. B is other authors are not able to attract students. So from the assumptions it is clear that answer will be E part, that is both assumptions A and B are implicit or true. Now see, fifth question statement is unemployment allowance should not be given to every college pass out. Assumptions are A is every college pass out is not financially weak, and B is unemployment allowance is like alms to youth. So from this we can notice answer will be A part, that is assumption A is implicit. Now see, sixth statement is government is supporting import of onions nowadays. Assumptions are A is onion production is low in this year, and B is consumption of onion has increased manifold suddenly. So from these two assumptions we can see that answer will be B part, that is assumption B is implicit. Like this students, remaining parts are there that you have to do yourself. Thank you.